very interesting. Actually, I'm happy with the fact that here are people who are actually concerned about the environment. This is my second project which I'm working on the environment. The first I started with biodiesel, means giving a substitute for diesel and production of biodiesel from algae. So I really like the concept that what you're using in this Green Brain of the Year. Technologies from all over the world submit their papers. They have an sort of this gathering. They have this contest. Ideas are shared. It's really nice thing.
Do take part because it's a nice competition, and even if you don't win prize, you will walk away with various ideas because you are after all listening 10 more presentations and you will get 100 more ideas. So it's a nice competition, and you just come to know what is happening across the globe because here people are present from all over the world. So it's a nice competition and we are happy with that. Thank you.
The campus is very good. Actually, we read about the green campus which is started by this university, and we really like the idea about how much amount of carbon dioxide is being consumed here, how much amount of trees they would grow, what kind of projects they would propose for the sake. So this kind of innovative things are very good, and it's really something interesting which everyone should be taking interest in.
For the next part, it is a good scope for the student. It is a good scope for the student to come here and present their project because they gives an opportunity to show your project worldwide and to show your capability here. The campus of the Middle East Technical University is very innovative, and they use the latest technology in the we have in the world. Such as I take the example of the solar panel. Each building have their own solar panel. For the solid waste management, they use the different dustbin which can separate the plastic, metal and papers, which is very good for environment. And also I see we are both are civil engineers, so we are focusing on the innovative ideas. We searching for innovative ideas and all the future aspect. We see the university has made a drainage road, which is very good.
Basically what happened was a few other people in our university, they were talking about this contest that was going on. So through the website Student Competitions, we got to know more details about the competition, and we saw that sustainability and environment and water resource, these are stuff that we think about all the time. So what if we can put our idea forward, and this would be an excellent platform to do that. So that was basically how we found about the competition.
Well, the thing is, it's more of a presentation of sustainability, water resources and technology, but we're business students. But we still felt that because it's a concept presentation, concept competition, we thought maybe we will be able to just pitch our concept and go forward, and that is exactly what happened, which we felt was really good, that just the basic concept was appreciated, and now we are feeling motivated that we can actually carry it forward to make it something that is actually viable and sustainable. Next participants, I would suggest that don't be worried about what your education background is. Come up with an idea, get your friends, work on it, and then come here and you can actually talk about it and present your idea. You'll actually get mentors who would give you ideas as to how you can actually take it forward. So that would be it.
Also, I would like to add that while you're here, have fun, enjoy yourself, get to know the ideas that the other people are talking about. It is a big revelation because the people that you will be meeting here, they're from different backgrounds and they will give you ideas that you would have never thought about before. So that communication itself is something really astounding. The campus is absolutely amazing. Like we have probably gone to like 1/10 of the entire campus, and we are completely blown away by how amazing it looks. Everything is green, like everything is green. Wherever we look, there are like solar panels. The building has natural lighting, and we were absolutely blown away because it's so amazing. So yes, and everyone is really nice.